In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a 2x2 picture in Canva. Resizing images to a specific dimension, like 2x2 inches, is a common need, especially when dealing with documents or profiles that specify exact sizes. So let's dive right in and transform your image seamlessly. First off, you'll want to open up your Canva design. Once you're there, locate the Resize button, typically at the top left of your screen. Clicking on resize is going to bring up a range of options for us, and this is where we start the resizing process. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so just keep an eye out for the button and give it a click. Next, you'll see an option labeled custom size. This is the key feature we're going to use to input our specific dimensions. Clicking on custom size allows you to specify exactly what dimensions you need, offering flexibility beyond the preset options. After clicking on custom size, you'll notice it's set to px, or pixels by default. For our purpose, we need to adjust this to inches, as a 2x2 picture indicates size in inches. So go ahead and click on the drop down next to px and select in for inches. This ensures we're working with the right unit of measurement. Now let's input the dimensions. Since you want to create a 2x2 picture, you'll type in 2 for both the width and the height. These boxes will be right next to the unit selector you just changed to inches. Double check that both boxes are set to 2, as accuracy is important to avoid any distortions in your design. Once you've set the width and height to 2 inches each, it's time to resize the design. You'll find a button labeled Resize this design. Clicking this button will take your current design and adjust it to fit the 2x2 size specifications you just entered. Don't worry if it looks a bit different initially. Sometimes elements in the design may need minor adjustments after resizing, but we'll get to that shortly. After clicking Resize this design, you can quickly review the new format. If everything looks good, you're ready to finalize the changes. You might even want to make subtle adjustments to the layout or design elements post resize to ensure everything fits perfectly and looks just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've now resized your image to a perfect 2x2 inches using Canva. Remember, resizing is a powerful tool that allows you to repurpose designs for different needs or specifications without starting from scratch. The more you practice, the easier and faster it becomes, allowing you to focus on your creativity without technical hiccups. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.